Hey, if you want to record desktop with your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, all you have to do is just to click on this icon between the settings and the notifications icon. That's the in-game overlay. And now all you have to do is just to click on the record. So now you can click on it, but before I can also recommend you to go for the settings and set some options, like we can change the resolution, frame rate, and okay, never mind. That's actually from the instant replay. So here we can change the resolution and the frame rate. And when you go back, you can click on the recording. You can click start with the left mouse button or use the Alt plus F9 button. And now as you can see, our desktop is recorded. I mean, these features are right now recording our desktop. And if you want to like stop recording, just click here, tap to stop and save. And now when you open the gallery, you can actually find your screen recorder video. So here it is. Okay, never mind, that's actually the screenshot, but it looks like, yeah, from here we've got our records. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.